Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure to subscribe for really awesome ideas and videos. So in this video I'm going to show you something really special. I'm going to show you guys how I made this really gorgeous DIY out of my old jeans. I had an old jeans lying around the house, so I thought why not make something crafty out of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so for this DIY I am using my old jeans. So all you need to do is take your scissors and start cutting this side and this side. So let's get started. So this one and that one. Something like this. Make sure you cut it from there as well. So now what you're gonna do is place the jeans like that and the hanger just here at the top, and take this piece here and just do that. And now what you're gonna do is just cut the jeans like from there, that bit, because we want a straight line. So this is how it starts to look from the inside once you apply this part towards inside. So now we've got like a really nice and neat and tidy finish. Simply put it on top of the hanger like that. The harder side, the thicker side, you can just put it, flip it like that, and now simply glue this bit and attach them together. Just alright, so now as you have created few pockets, just have a look like that. I'm gonna go ahead and with the hemming web, you can glue that as well, but I'm gonna be using the hemming web. It's just better. I'm gonna apply it, this hemming tape, on all four sides, and then simply just iron the whole thing on top of the divider. And now also cover all these the top bits with an extra fabric as well. Just stick it on top of it, like underneath that, and just like that. Just glue it on like all parts. To every single one of you who watches my videos on a regular basis. Thank you. You are my loyal subscriber. Thank you. Honestly means a lot to me because I tend to spend a lot of time on my videos, and it makes me so happy when you guys appreciate all my work. So I hope you guys enjoyed making this organizer, and don't forget to add me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.